Hello everyone, today you have joined the CREATIVELK YouTube channel. How to download and install Blender. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Blender is a free open source graphic design tool. It's a really great application for doing 3D modeling, so we'll guide you through how you can download and install it to go and get started, though, you need to go and open up a web browser of your choice. I'll use Chrome. But it doesn't matter. What we can do is go and type in Blender like so, and then what we need to do is scroll down and go to blender.org. That's the official site. You can go and read about it here, but to go and download it, press the download button, and at the top here we can then press download. Blender, the installer, is going to shortly start. Depending upon your browser, you can go and see the progress in the top right and wait for it to go and download. When it's finished, go and open up your file explorer, come to the left and click downloads and go and find Blender, and you need to double click it. You go and get this pop up and we can go through the setup wizard. We can press next. Choose the install path and press next again and then press install. You'll go and get a Windows security pop up. You need to agree to and the process will begin. All you need to do is wait. It's now finished and it says completed. So what we can do is go and press finish. And now we can go and open it up. I'll go and close out of this here. We've got the shortcut on our desktop, and I can also go and search for it. So I've now gone and launched it and we can go and start using it. As you can see, it's now gone and loaded. And I can now go and start creating and modeling, etc. If you found this useful and want to see more like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.